provides you with a customized plan to build the skills your kids need to succeed, like expressing themselves by drawing their own stories and practicing healthy habits. Before you know it, they're visiting the